Hey friends, another tax season is here, so let's take a look at TurboTax for 2026. We'll take a look at what has changed and who I'd recommend TurboTax for this year. First up, let's talk about some of the pros of TurboTax. TurboTax is very friendly and easy to use, and if you used it last year, it'll even pull in all of your information to save you some time. When you go to enter a W-2, it'll give you the option to upload a file from your computer, or you can take a picture of it with your phone, definitely saving you a lot of time. Or you can click to type it in yourself. One thing I don't like about TurboTax is it'll take one form and split it up into multiple pages, and it just wastes time. One thing that's nice with TurboTax is if you're entering something like interest or dividends, it will give you the option to bring it directly from your bank, or you can upload it or take a picture with your phone. The bank uploads only work if it's one of their participating banks. I do like that if you try to enter something like a 1099 INT for bank interest, it does just give you the relevant boxes. Generally, you're only going to have to fill in this box right here. Are you really saving time by logging into your bank? Probably not. TurboTax does make it very easy to switch back and forth between their web version and their app is very slick and easy to use. I was also really surprised to see that TurboTax is offering a deal this year that if you didn't use TurboTax last year and you start your return on the app and you finish your return on the app, that it can be completely free if you file before February 28th. I do like that when you get to the deductions section, TurboTax does offer you the option to just continue with the standard deduction. With the new tax laws, the vast majority of people are better off with standard deduction as opposed to itemizing, so you can just skip over all of those questions by clicking continue with standard. Another nice feature that TurboTax has is that you are able to preview your tax forms before paying, which is surprising. That's not something that's available in most of the paid tax software. To see the preview, you go down to Tax Tools, click on Tools, click View Tax Summary, and then click right here for Preview My 1040. Now, it is only showing you this 1040 worksheet. It's not quite the same as the actual 1040 form, but that is nice that you can actually see what's going on with your actual forms as you're going through the process. So we've talked about the things that I like about TurboTax. Let's talk about what I don't like about TurboTax. And honestly, the main thing is the cost. It's absurdly priced for what it is. Now, they do offer a free version, and if you have simple taxes without a lot of forms, you can use their free version. But they've made it harder than ever to get started with the free version. When you get started, it'll give you some options about your situation, and if you check anything that might indicate that you might be interested in itemized deductions, for example, if you check, I donated to charity, it'll automatically put you into the paid version and will not even give you the option of the free version. Now, if you get started with the paid version, you can downgrade to the free version. But again, that they don't make it easy. TurboTax has also withdrawn from the free file program through the IRS. TurboTax used to offer free filing for lower income families, and they don't do that. They only offer their free version that now they make really hard to get to. And what is TurboTax spending all that money on that they earn? Well, $3 million a year they're spending on lobbying to our Congress people to keep our taxes complicated and to stop the federal government from allowing us to file for free directly through the IRS. So I think if you qualify for TurboTax's totally free filing, you absolutely should use them if you feel okay with avoiding all of their upselling and truly not paying anything. But if you do not qualify for their free version because you have slightly more complicated taxes, my recommendation would be to go for FreeTaxUSA. It's 100% free for everyone for federal filing, and it costs $16 to do a state return. I'll include my affiliate link to FreeTaxUSA down below, and if you do pay something for the state return with FreeTaxUSA, I would earn a commission, but I absolutely would be recommending it even if I didn't.